About to do.
So we're about to okay, so first of all we're gonna see how high this thing shoots up.
Yeah, relative to the hoop? Yeah. Okay.
These are Mentos.
We almost lost him, huh? It's windy.
And these are Diet Coke.
Yep, some Diet Coke.
2 liter we're gonna do.
Yep.
And what we do?
I'm a physics teacher.
And I'm a first grader.
Yeah.
Okay, we forgot that. Sorry, people.
That's okay. And we're gonna do some physics family fun, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is a roll of Mentos. This
Mentos.
is the mint ones, the mint Mentos.
Not the fruit ones, but I've never tried the fruit ones, so I really want to try them.
We'll take a couple pieces of paper, and we'll just roll it on here.
Oh, also I forgot. We're doing this outside, so please do this outside because if you do it inside, never try it because then you'll get a big mess.
Hold on a second. Oh no!
Dada!
It's okay.
I got the next Mento ready.
All right. Let me make this. Whoop.
Dada, you're not supposed to do that, you know.
I know. In there.
4.
Yep.
Can we eat the one after this? 6. Can I eat one?
6. Let's do 7.
Okay, I'm
Then
gonna eat one
then-
after 7.
7, and then you go ahead and try one, and then get mom too. Let's see. How do they taste?
Peppermint.
They're good?
You wanna try one?
No thanks. I'll try one later.
Oh,
All right.
people, if you want them, they taste good.
All right, so you go get mama.
We should cut this part off because we have to wait for them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's
Is that minty?
people. That's minty. People, that's minty.
You move the Mentos to the seat. Get them way out of the way.
Yeah.
And move it over to here, far away from the other 2 liter. Open it slowly. Try not to shake it. Open slow. Just I'm gonna line this up as best I can.
I'll be ready to catch the papers if they fly.
That's okay. I'm gonna
Like- You
Does it look lined up, you think?
just a little more to here, and pretty good.
Pretty good? Alright. So go ahead and pull the card out. Oh! Good one!
Yay! That's it. Like, did it up to here?
I
What
know.
do we do with all the extra coke?
We just let it go down.
Watch the race. Oh no. Camera, you might
It's
need
okay,
to-
it's okay. It's on a tripod, it's okay.
to-
Camera's okay. There it goes.
And look at the paper. It's all destroyed by that Diet Coke.
Yeah.
I see Mentos at the bottom.
Yeah, what do you see? What do you see on those Mentos? What do you see?
Diet Coke. It looks like it's. Yeah, I see bubbles.
See the bubbles forming on the Mentos? I don't know if this will focus or not.
That's a
but
lot.
there's lots of bubbles forming on the
That
Mentos.
was big.
I have no idea if that'll even show up.
So
You
people
tell
haven't
it.
seen this, but probably most people have. Even because it's like a famous kind of. It's popular.
Yeah.
So you just put that Mentos.
Oh, hold on a second.
How UPS truck?
All right, let's try again.
Hello. Hi.
Launch a rocket.
They're doing the Diet
fountains.
Coke and Mentos.
We're doing YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Making a video.
What,
Go ahead, put
how
it
much
in.
number? 5.
5.
Gonna watch it. You have an audience.
Oh, dang! Okay. 7. Now what?
Just gotta pull it out. Let's see if it's lined up.
I want to pull it out.
All right. Go ahead. Pull it out. Yay! Did they all go in? Yeah, they all went in. All right. Nice job, bud.
Doing science.
That looks like root beer.
It does. All right.
Dang, that card got me. This card is. What do we do with this paper?
Tell the people.
Next time we're gonna do the explanation video how that works.
Yeah, it's all about bubble formation.
Until next time.
Until next time.
Clean up time.
It's cleanup time. That's right.